What is up, YouTube? We are back with a live trading video. It is early as hell right now. My time, it is 2 o'clock inside the morning. We are waiting on this gold demand zone right here on the 1 hour, targeting Asia high, which is up here. So let's just see how this trade forms. If it breaks above this candlestick, I will be entering, and I'm gonna show you guys the full trade and everything. And yeah, I am live with my VIP member as well, so all gonna get inside of this trade once I enter and see. Let's just see if we could get a win today. Alright guys, inside this trade right now. Seems to be rejecting pretty hard on me. We might just end up with a loss, but let's see if it either goes back up to break the candlestick, or if we do end up with that loss today. Overall, I got inside the trade, followed my rules, did everything I was supposed to. So let's just see how it plays out. Alright guys, trade is going a lot against me now. It seems as though we are going to take a loss on this one. Also on my funded challenges too. I'm inside of the same trade on my 200Ks. So I'm getting pretty close to my stop loss here. So let's just see what happens. Alright guys, we are back in profit right now. We'll see if it stays like that. That bearish candlestick kind of had me a little bit worried. I thought we were about to hit my stop loss, but let's see if we keep going higher and to see if we reach the final target or if we reject from here and hit my stop loss. This trade low-key is pretty slow, but I'm trading London session, and normally a lot of the times London session is a little bit slower than New York, so a lot of times the moves are a little bit slower to form, take a little bit longer. It's already been like 20 minutes since I got inside this trade, so I'm just gonna keep on waiting, and if it gets to 3, I'm about to go back to sleep and let this trade ride and see what it does when I wake up, honestly. Alright, so I'm getting tired. It's like 2-3 a.m. over here, so I'm gonna let this trade run, and it's either gonna hit my stop loss, or the next time you guys see this, it's gonna be in profit. Hopefully it's gonna be in profit, but you know, every trade has its, you know, probabilities, of course. I already signaled this out inside of my free Discord too. I don't want to pull it up on my laptop, so hope you guys can see this. But just signaled it out. I'm gonna go to sleep and we'll check back in on this trade. This trade is about a 4 or 5 to me in terms of volume, momentum, and what I see. I don't really think we have a lot of momentum here coming into this trade. It dang near did hit my stop loss as well, but we saw a lot of buyers coming out of nowhere. I thought we were going to take out Asia low, which was right here. We ended up not taking it out and just are continuing or trying to go higher. So let's overall just see what happens, and then I'll of course update you guys and everything. Alright everyone, so I did end up losing this trade. It's 3 o'clock right now. We ended up taking out Asia low before then rejecting a little bit, but it did stop me out. My stop loss was under this candlestick right here, and yeah, so tough loss on the day. It is what it is though. I'm gonna come back another day, manage risk better, not even manage risk better, take an even better setup. Overall, this setup was pretty iffy, good to me, because we did have this rejection already from this zone, this demand zone that we had. I thought it did have a chance, but looking back now, I'm like, nah. It's all in the probabilities though. I haven't lost a trade inside of the last 5 trades, so I knew that there was like a high probability of like a loss coming sometime soon, because I'm like, we have not lost in a minute. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed this live trading video, and stay tuned to another one. I show my wins, show my losses, and everything like that. I took this on my challenge accounts as well, my 100k challenge accounts, and I am down just a little bit, $280, because I didn't even risk 350 on this trade because I was so tired. I didn't put in the risk properly. Ended up aiding me in my favor, but next time I'm definitely going to risk a little bit more. So yeah, that is it for this trading video, and I will see you guys next time.